Hey guys, I wanted to share the sound with you. That is the storm, the tornado siren, I do believe. It's Wednesday, they do them on Wednesdays. And you can tell there's no bad weather. That's the fire department way across the street, way across there. That's the fire department, so there's no fire. So they're just testing the siren out. So I just wanted y'all to hear what we hear. During a storm though, it's very difficult to hear that over my fan, plus the storm, and the rain. There it goes. I wonder if it's gonna go back up high pitch again. We actually have two different sirens in town. That one right there was the tornado siren, and the other one, which rarely do they ever test, is for the dam. We have a dam 6 miles up the road and a lake. And so we have a siren for when the dam breaks, if the dam ever broke. It's higher pitched and goes wah, 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 wah. I can't make the noise right, but it's different anyways. Just wanted to share that with you. They ain't gonna sound it off again, but that was the Wednesday test. I guess this is probably the last Wednesday in July, probably. I think, maybe. Anyways, I just wanted to share it with you. Peace.